Dead bodies with black ooze dripping out of their wounds were all over the streets. It was 1665. Fresh cases of the Black Plague were being reported. People were dying out in the streets. The royals, for their safety, cut off all entry to the castle and sat on their thrones. 3 big cauldrons surrounding them with bright flames being burned day and night, a precaution in case the plague had already infiltrated the castle. Well, this sounds like an interesting story for another session. However, this session is all about understanding why viruses mutate. Here, on the left, we have 2 friends. They are best friends and have a strong bond. Let's call them DNA. And here on the right, we have a boy, all alone without any friends. Let's call him RNA. Humans have DNA, which means there are 2 strands, while viruses such as the coronavirus have only 1. One day, RNA decides to befriend DNA. They become very close and start working together. With their help, RNA starts digging holes in the ground. They dig and dig, day and night, working together, getting closer and closer, caring for each other until the 2 best friends, DNA, find themselves surrounded by holes 6 feet deep, while RNA is on the other side, safer and stronger. This is just a very broad example of how a virus mutates in layman's terms. According to Darwin's theory, survival of the fittest, only the strongest shall survive. When we get sick due to a virus, our body creates antibodies. We can call this an antivirus for our understanding. These antibodies destroy the virus and keep us healthy. However, some viruses survive, and the ones that survive cope better and mutate. So viruses evolve just like the example we talked about earlier. After infecting a host, it mutates through recombination and becomes stronger. However, if the number of people who get infected is reduced, the virus has less chances of mutating, leading to a lower and lower infection until the virus becomes extinct. This is where the vaccine comes into play and how
An inoculated population can prevent the spread of the virus and end a pandemic.